Check this out. This has got to be one of the most underrated German saloon type cars on the market. Just a stunning machine. So this is an Arteon fastback, 2 litre 190 brake DSG diesel on a 68 registration with loads of options on the car, and has only done 65,000 miles with a full history, including a recent service at Volkswagen and a gearbox service as well. So the car is just stunning. I mean, look at it. It is incredible. And these things are so underrated in the market. They are incredible value for money as well. So the side profile of this car is absolutely stunning. It has got some tasteful modifications to it, and like I said, some additional specification. I'll put all of the extra spec on the screen so you can see the complete list. But one of the key things on this car, we've got an opening pan roof, which is key on these cars, makes such a difference. And then tasteful modifications in terms of the Maxton front, side and rear splitter, side skirty bits and pieces, just sets the car off. And then you've got the grey silver finish, black leather on the inside, which I'll show you in a second, silver chrome bits. I mean, it's just a stunning car, obviously with the privacy glass and bits and pieces as well. And as I said, underrated in the market, incredible value for money when you compare it to A5s and that sort of thing, which essentially is the same car. And I think, yeah, I just love this car so much. So let me show you around it and I'll show you a bit more about the car. So on the inside of the car, we've got the R design. On the inside of the car, we've got R-Line, full leather seats, touch screen, digital dash, which I'll show you a bit more about in a second. Pan roof, which is just up here. I've got the blind closed at the moment, so let me open that blind up. So there's your pan roof. As I said, black leather seats, adaptive cruise control, and a whole load of other specification. And one of the other things that is absolutely incredible about these cars is the rear seat legroom. So I'm just going to do a little demonstration here. So this is me sitting in the back of the car, and the driver's seat is where I would sit. So I have an extraordinary amount of legroom, given that this car is not long wheelbase or anything like that at all. And then if you look at that, I can still sit in that seat, and that's the rear seat legroom. And you've got obviously the full black leather and bits and pieces in the back here as well. So interior wise, it is beautiful. And then just to show you that dash, full digital dash with, oh, if I can get it, adaptive cruise control and all the other bits and pieces that you get on there. And this dash has got all of the adjustable centers, and you can change the display and all sorts of other jazz on these. Same as you get in an Audi, I think even in Lamborghini as well. I think it's the same dash. And then you've got your touchscreen here with all of your media and bits and pieces on it. Climate control, heated seats, obviously it's an automatic, and we've got the auto hold as well. But as I said, I'll put the full bits on the screen, and then you've got the embossed seats as well, which make a lovely difference on the car. Seats and everything are all in great nick. There's not really any condition wise that I need to talk about on this car. As you can see, it is beautiful. So exterior wise, we've got that lower Maxton front splitter, fancy lights and all the bits and pieces you get with the modern Volkswagens. And then just walking around the rest of the car, you've got the side skirts. And as I've mentioned, this side profile of this car is just beautiful. Maxton side skirts as well, which just set the car off. Let me just go back a little bit so you can see that full side profile again. There we go. And then just coming round to the back of the car, the boots on these things are absolutely ginormous. Not quite sure if it's going to be able to, is the car, no, my prep work. So there's your boot area, which is ginormous. Seats fold down as well. So I'm sure a trip to IKEA, you could probably get a whole house load of furniture in there without a problem at all. Let me just close this up. Very stiff. Maxton rear spoiler on the top there as well. And then if I just go down nice and low, we've got the, hopefully you can see that, the Maxton rear diffuser as well. If I just give a little walk round, talking to myself, there we go. So there is a couple of marks on the car, one of which is just a little catch on that back corner there. And then coming round to the passenger side, again, obviously it looks the same from both sides, but it's just a stunning, stunning car. And then you can see that Maxton front splitter and side skirt on that side as well. I think there's not a bad angle for this car, to be honest. It is absolutely stunning. So, as I said, absolute bargain in the marketplace. Listing will be online now, all serviced, ready to go with the recent service at Volkswagen and the gearbox service. No prep needed to be done to the car. It is exceptional in every way. Value, presentation, everything, service history, full works. Exceptional, exceptional car.